The function of curiosity drives exploration. It drives learning and discovery and problem solving. Don't we want all our kids to be doing these things? It motivates engagement, right? Engagement with their learning, engagement with the unknown or with anything new. It supports brain development and it supports adaptive growth. Again, all things that we want. Too many kids are scared of uncertainty. If I can't do it perfectly or I don't know how to do it, I'm not going to try at all. We want to get them curious. Curious kids, they might be touching, grabbing, disassembling things, exploring. They want to understand their surroundings. We want to really facilitate that. So, emotionally, curiosity is really saying, there is something new here. Let's figure it out. Unfortunately, a lot of adults, I see this a lot, might perceive those behaviors as destructive, like if they're taking apart a computer or an iPad. Or maybe they see these things as disruptive when they're trying to explore their environment when they're supposed to be sitting at their desk and listening, for example. But that's really problematic if we're shutting down this drive for learning.